Alright, I'm on to the final phases. At this point, once I put on the gravel on this, it's pretty much stuck there because I really do not want to have to pull this out. But I think everything is good, everything's level, should be good to go. So cool, let's check it out. I'm not sure how many of these bags I can actually carry. So I completely forgot that I had all these extra rocks here that I've gotten from tearing down the mailbox in the front yard. Alright guys, so Amazon got me here. So I bought this camo thing off of Amazon. They said that this camo edge deck fastening system worked with these deck screws right here. Well, they don't. They don't fit in the chamber. The head, I believe, is going to be different. We'll see what the camo ones end up looking like when it's all said and done, but for now these don't work. And I bought this big old box because they told me to. I'll show you which ones to buy. Probably the most important part of any deck build, if you live in any reasonable part of the US, you know, anywhere but Arizona, you're gonna have mosquitoes. They're killing me right now. Okay guys, so I went to the store and picked up the correct screws this time. If you want to avoid all of that hassle, I'm telling you, just go to the links in the description below. I have everything there for you. Send you to Amazon. Do not buy the screws that Amazon recommends for you to buy. They're incorrect. Which is funny. I know Amazon is supposed to be like the masters of attaching items that you're supposed to buy to the products, but they let me down this time. I had to go to Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have them. Now I had to go to Lowe's, pick them up there. I'm telling you, just purchase them from Amazon down in the description below. All the camo ones go with the camo brands. These particularly are 1 7/8 inch here, and that's all you need. I'll show you what to do, but basically, just for a quick tutorial, you grab this and that'll expand these things down here. You can see that top one up there moving, so that's what grabs the board. And then this hole right here and this hole on this side are where the screws go. So let's demonstrate that over here. So I have these 4 boards already done, and you can see where the little hole is right there. Leaves that little hole. So I have this kind of lined up here where I want it to be. So what I'm going to do is squeeze this so it grabs it, line it up to my joist down here, push it, and it leaves this gap here, which I believe is 3/16 inch gap. You can see it does that on all these, and they're all the same, they're all in sync. And you can see most of the board on this one is already lined. This one isn't too warped. Had some bad luck with some of these being a little warped. So all I'm gonna do here, got my screw, just slide it in there, slide it in there. And they comes with 2 drill bits, the correct drill bits that you need here. I'm using a hammer drill, but I have another just regular drill over there too. When my wife was helping me out, 2 people can do it, one on one side, one on the other. But you just, oh, that was a bad demonstration there. You need to put some pressure. Don't put body weight on this itself, it can break. And that's all there is to it. Look at that, it's not going anywhere just with that one alone. That's it. I actually really like this tool. Just doing these 4 boards alone, I already feel like I'm a professional. I've only done a few planks, still have quite a bit to go. I'm curious to how it's going to play out if I meet another warped board towards the end. It'll be frustrating, but at least it'll be towards the end. We are finally done with the deck and it is just what we wanted. We didn't have time to put the plants up like we wanted or stage it, but this is what it looks like. There's now so much more room on this entire porch here, even though you can see we still cluttered it with some other stuff. We're eventually going to move the barbecue pit and put it right here where this chair is at, on top of some gravel, so that way we don't have it just sitting on the deck. Although I don't think the deck is going to sink in, the least amount of weight that we have on it, the more comfortable I will feel. So if you have any questions or tips for me for when I do my next deck build, please let me know in the comments below, because next we're going to be putting a deck around this brand new stock tank pool that I got here. Not sure if that's the location for it, but we're going to put a little deck around it so we can sit on it, sit on the edge and put our feet in the water if we wanted to, wade, while little Graham, our little baby, can go swim and we could sit in there too, you know, or a place to even just put our drinks on. So please let me know if you have any tips. Remember, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy some of this content, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Like the stock tank pool, that'll be coming out pretty soon.